Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a 1981 BMW 320. Beautiful car. One owner. It's got about 100,000 miles on it. Painted about 5 years ago. All the manuals, all service records, and everything for this one. Always garage kept. Runs and drives beautiful. It's all stock, just has a custom stereo in it. All original interior. 5-speed. Crank open roof. Four-cylinder, runs fantastic. New battery, always kept under tender. Again, one owner. All the maintenance records, owner's manuals, everything. Custom Alpine stereo with kicker subs. Original toolkit intact. Super solid, nice car. Original jack. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out my pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.